Nick Rudder from McKee's37.com. I'm super excited to introduce our all-new line of professional RV one-step products. This is something that has been in the making for a very, very long time. McKee's 37, we're known for our huge offering of automotive products, plus we have our Nautical One marine line and our Max's RV line. Well, this new one-step professional RV line is designed for the enthusiast or the DIYer that wants the absolute top shelf performance for their motor coach or their RV. The idea behind this line was simple: make everything as easy to use as possible, and if possible, make it one step. There's a lot of different products in the market and they require multiple steps to achieve the desired result. Well, with this line, RVs and motor coaches are supposed to be recreational vehicles. So we want to make sure that you keep the recreation in your recreational vehicle. So we simplified everything by combining multiple products into one, or by offering a unique time-saving solution. So for example, the gel tire and wheel cleaner. It's an all-in-one wheel and tire cleaner, so you can just use one product, saving you time and reducing aggravation. So again, you can spend more time enjoying your investment, which for most people, their house is their largest investment. If you have a motor coach like this costs more than the average house, so they're not inexpensive. You want to maintain them using high quality products. And then another real popular one is the graphene 3-in-1 cleaner and sealant. This is an all-in-one cleaner, polish, and sealant that's designed to protect the RV in one simple step. It gives it long-lasting protection, and it's safe to use on gel coat, fiberglass, paint. You can even use it on your tow-behind vehicle as well. Very safe, very easy to use. And then my favorite is the Hydrogloss ceramic coating. This is a graphene-based spray-on, rinse-off ceramic coating that offers long-lasting protection and relentless water beading. Plus, it's safe for all exterior surfaces, and it gives hands down the best protection on the front of your coach or RV. So if you're going through an area that has like love bugs or anything like that, it makes them super easy to come off when you reach your final destination, because it leaves the surface so slick that nothing wants to stick. And then my second favorite in the line is the waterless wheel wash and polish. This is like magic in a bottle. So when you reach your destination and the RV looks so good because you've treated it with the graphene 3-in-1 and the Hydrogloss ceramic coating, but the wheels, well, they've got some dirt on them. Well, that's where this comes into play. Spray and wipe, it removes the brake dust and the road grime, leaves the surface super shiny and super slick without using any water. So for more information on all these great products, visit the link below, McKee's37.com. There'll also be a video for each respective product as well. Take care and God bless.